ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi A bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabenta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Kumshibenta banyo ek met ke koit bakhyakaran ke National Ayush Mission Meghalaya kumshibenta ban rakhi ek 10 International Day of Yoga arachar phosau menta sngi ka poetry ujuliu kla penlong ye ke jingle yoga hala Highroy Garden kadat nomin song hakani ke sngi kidan kumashispa anyu punyongon ke belawan banya shimbenta bagi babon ke buan hakani ke sngi ke dikinas jung Civil Hospital Shillong but na Ganesh Das Hospital Shillong. Commissioner Secretary Jagat Health and Family Welfare Department, Kam Director of Ayush, Jangka Sarkar Jilla, Dr. Joram Beda, Uleshim yak benta ko mukangsan. Dolor ukangsan QA part kibledan benta lang hakan ke sngi kinthop yak senior faculty, meditation coach, state coordinator ka Art of Living, ka Suparna Mordani, State Nodal Officer Ayush Meghalaya Shillong, Dr. Bisolin Dhar bar QA. Habakran kumukangsan Dr. Joram Beda ulapin pau ke jingdan kam banle ya ke yoga namar ka de ke we ni kilan met besuk bat ke bayar bahaya gibriu kum tau lakin tu ya baro be ke banle ya ke kilan met yoga man kasngi.
Thank you. On this occasion, I would again like to emphasize and underscore the importance of yoga. Yoga being one of the most easily practiced exercise for the non-communicable diseases. We all as doctors, we understand there are limitations so far as the allopathic medicine is concerned. Just by taking lifelong medicines to treat the non-communicable diseases is not the solution. The solution has to come within. And that's the reason why the theme of today's International Yoga Day is Self and the Society. And that's where, again, our Srimati Suparna again mentioned about this, that it has to come from within. And I would request all of you that not only for today, but when you go home, please practice yoga in isolation and let it be part of your self-discipline protocol so that we all can live healthy lives. Someone once mentioned that after 40, your warranty period is over. You are on an extended warranty. So those who are young, enjoy your life, but those who are above 40, please practice yoga.